Yes, I know.
I just put it together, sorry.
Sometimes I see little frightens the eyes and ours out there too. My thing. I can see it with this kind of force, but when they're broken and cracked.
Good. Thank you though. I appreciate it. Good.
Well,
Wow.
that is 18 to 04.
Here. Push your legs, push him around. There you go. There you go.
Yes, and then it's got this big head. It's a big type.
A pro. I'm
Almost good.
I'm not a pro. She signed the other one, but she didn't sign the other
Look
one.
up!
Look up! Sorry, I don't mean to.
And
I do need to yell, but I don't. Right.
Agreed.
Mammy, your time is a 2-0.
Hey guys, it's me. Anyway, so I'm sure you're wondering what's going on right now. So that's actually the end of that horse show. That's all the clips I got from the horse show. That was all the events that happened. But since this video is only like 4 minutes long, I decided to add my other performance horse show in with this video. So it's not a 4-minute long video because I'm not gonna do that to you guys. So I'm going to add in a few. It's not English here today. I'm gonna add in a few clips of my other performance horse show that I did the following week, and actually very exciting news, as you'll see in my other clips that I'm about to show you. I actually won a buckle and I got champion in my age group. Yeah, so anyway, so yeah, those are the clips you'll be seeing. So but yeah, just for heads up, that's the end of that horse show, the 4th of July horse show. This is the performance horse show. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm really happy to say that I actually got a buckle and I was just not expecting that. I'm so happy right now. Anyway, so yeah, that was like 2 weeks ago, I'm thinking. Wait, no. That was like, well, now it's almost 2 weeks. But yeah, if you guys want to look at the pictures of more like detailed of the buckle and stuff, I'll be posting them on my community page, so you can just go over there and see the pictures. They may be posted tomorrow or today, either one, I'm not sure. But yeah, sorry for the short video, but that's what happened, and I was busy, so I couldn't film a lot. So I also will be releasing a short for the performance horse show, so you guys can see a little bit of what I got up to and a little more in depth of explaining. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be the end of this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye.